Hello, teacher.
Hello, Potato. Good evening. Potato, can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Yes, you have a new haircut again? Is your
What?
haircut new? Your hair new? New cut?
Yeah.
Hair. Oh, who cut your hair, Potato?
In my mom.
Oh, your mom. Your mom knows how to cut your hair. Ah, your hair looks so cute. Okay. Potato, how are you today?
I am great.
You are good. Okay, that's good to hear. All right. So,
Yeah.
Potato, let us
Cô không cần bảo.
let me share.
Lúc cô nói vào thì cô không cần bảo con.
Mình hỏi lại lịch sự được chưa?
No,
So, Potato, what is Unit 7 all about?
Thôi, để cho mình làm đi.
Look, please read.
Look, see the smile and smile down.
Okay, look, listen, smile, draw. Okay, so that is our lesson for this evening. Before that, I have here three words. Potato, what's the first word?
Để hẳn lên bàn mình. Nghe đằng nào.
Smile.
Smile. Can I see your smile? Potato, where's your smile? Smile. Hey, good job.
Smile.
Next, what's this? Next, what's this? Kick. Oh, what is the boy doing in the picture, Potato? Can you tell
He
me?
kicked the ball.
He kicked the ball. Very
Kick.
good. And how about this guy? Oh, I think this is a girl. How about this one?
Wave.
Okay, Potato, can you wave? How do you wave? How do you wave? Ah, very good. You know what to do. Okay. Next, we have here another one. What's this?
Sing.
Ew. What part of our body we use to see? Do we use our mouth to see? What do we use to see? We use our, what's this?
Eyes.
Very good. How many eyes do we have? How many
I
eyes?
have one.
Oh, you have one eye? The real one. How many eyes do you have?
One.
What? You do like this?
Yeah.
Teacher, I
Yeah.
have one eye, teacher.
Yeah.
A normal person got two eyes, the left and the right. Okay?
C.
What's this? What is this? Potato. This.
Listen.
Very good. What is the girl doing in the picture?
He listened to
She
music.
listened to music. Correct.
Listen.
And how about this? What is
Look.
this? Look. Okay.
Look.
Look. So we have see, listen, and look. And how about this one? What's this?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Oh, we use the keyboard to for us to write on our computer.
Keyboard.
Next, what's this?
Clock.
Clock. Do you have clock in the house? Potato?
No.
No clock?
Yes. I have clock in iPad.
Ah, all right. So you don't need to use clock on the wall because nowadays we have clock on our iPad or in our phone. Okay, and how about this? What is this?
Computer.
Computer. Yeah. What is the boy doing? The boy
Computer.
is
The boy
using the
computer.
Computer.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we have here Potato, the personal pronouns. We have here I. Let's read. What are the personal pronouns? I. Next. You.
You, he,
He.
she, it, we, you, they, my,
Next.
your, his, her, and your, or your, their.
Okay. So these are what we call personal pronouns in our left. And on the other side is what we call as possessive. Okay? Potato. When we say possessive, it talks about ownership. Who is the owner? For example, I have here, what's this? What is teacher holding?
I don't know.
What's this? This is a? It's a phone. Can you see this? What is this? It's a?
Phone.
It's a phone. So since I am the one holding and I am the owner of the phone, I will say, this is my phone. Again.
This is my phone.
Okay, Potato, what are you holding? Can you tell teacher what are you holding?
And now
What is that?
holding.
What's that?
I holding a color.
A crayon. I am holding a crayon.
A
Again.
crayon color.
Okay. You will say,
Color is white. Color is black.
okay, color black. So, Potato, you will say, this is my crayon. Again.
This is my present.
Okay, we use my because we talk about ownership. The owner of the crayon is Potato. That's why we say my. Okay, my. Okay. Oh. But if you are talking about someone, referring to someone, you will say your crayon. Oh. Your crayon, his crayon, her crayon, our crayon, your crayon, and their crayon. That's possessive. Now here, Potato, please read. We normally
We we are talking about one day. Example, a head to head, a body to body.
what body? It's not body. Boy. A
Three
boy.
boys.
3 boys. Okay. This is what we do, Potato. Now, if we are talking about 2 things, more than one, okay? If it's more than one, like 2, 3, or more, we add S to the word, okay? Hand, hands. Boy, boys, if it's many. Now, here, Potato, this one. Some words are...
What?
Please read number 2.
Someone living every day
Irregular.
has X. To them. We talking about what's that of them. Then a food to feed.
Okay, now here, there is what we call Potato as irregular noun. Okay? We call it irregular because we simply change the spelling. For example, Potato, look at here. Example, foot. How many is foot? Potato, how many is foot? 1 or many? If I say foot, raise your foot. You are talking about 1. Very good. If I'm gonna ask you your 2 feet, 2 foot, we call it, we don't say 2 foot, but we say feet. Again. Oh, if Potato, how about this one? What is this? What's the word?
Longer.
This one below the foot. Please read. What's the word below the foot? Potato. What is this below the foot? Child. Again.
Round.
Oh, if it's many, what do you call them? Child if it's only 1, If it's many, if you see many, what do you say? You will say child? What do you say? Oh, is it correct? These are irregular. It is.
Irregular. Irregular.
If it's many. How about if it's many? Many running.
Irregular.
Oh, child will become. Please read. How do you change it? We call them.
And
Tito. Child
what?
will turn. If there's many child, what do you say to them? What do you call to them? Many.
In
Child will turn
child.
into children. Again.
Children.
Yeah.
Children.
If it's many. Foot. If it's one. If it's two, you say feet. If it's one, you say child. If it's many, you say children. Okay? All right. So potato, if we are going to change the spelling, we call them irregular. Okay, here. Potato, arrange the letters to form the correct spelling of the word. For example, R, A, E. Change it, it will turn here. Okay, how about, okay, potato. Please write your answer number 2, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go. You write now. Arrange the letters. This is a spelling.
I
Oh, what is number 1? What's number 1?
don't. Oh.
Look
You
at
help me what?
I will help you write. Okay, potato. What is number 1? What's in the picture 1? It is a
Hair.
hair. Look at the letters. E,
Fur.
C, A, or F. Okay, how do you spell it? How do you spell the face? What's the first letter?
I don't know.
Face. What letter is that?
F.
F. Very good. Next. What's next to F? F is done. Next.
E.
A. It's letter A. Next. What's next, potato? What's next? C or E? What's next? C or E?
What?
What's next to F and A? Letter C or letter E? Face. Letter C. Very good. Gonna change it to letter C. And what's the last letter?
E.
Very good. It's a face. Okay, next. Potato. How about number 2? What's number 2?
Number 2 is
Look at the picture.
what? Number 2 is hand.
Hand. What's the first letter of the word hand? Letter?
D.
Oh, D. Hand.
I don't know.
Look at here. Letter D, letter H, letter A, or letter N? Hand. Hand.
Em không biết kiếp bao giờ đi ra rồi ôm anh ra
Potato. Hand.
đây này đây
Hand.
is
Letter hand. What's that?
is
Letter.
wait me.
Okay. Okay. Oh, what letter is that? Letter H. Very good. Okay, we start in H. Next. Next potato. Hand. What's next? Oh, letter A. Oh, very good. Potato knows how to write. Or potato, how about you write? So we will do something. And very good. And what's the last one?
Is
Letter.
letter
Oh, very good. Okay, next potato. What's the next one? What's number 3? Letter. Yummy, give me the first letter.
no.
You can do it.
No. No. No.
Okay, letter N. Next. O. Next to letter O, potato. What's next to O?
E. Yeah.
Nose. Is it letter E? Are you sure it's letter E?
No.
Okay, what is that? What's the next letter?
No.
Nose.
No. No.
Okay, what's the next letter? Next to letter O. What's next to letter O? What's next?
E.
E?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Letter E. It's not letter E.
It's X.
Ay, very good. Letter S. And last is letter.
Letter E.
Very good. That's nose. Okay, next. Number 4. What's number 4?
Number 4. 2.
Okay, is it foot? They are 2. What feet? Okay. What's the first letter? What's the first letter?
Let me.
Oh, you're writing. There's 2 letters.
Yeah.
Is there letter F-E-T? Is that the correct spelling of feet?
Yes.
Okay, next. How about number 5? What's number 5?
When the feet.
Okay, change feet.
Please help me feet.
Okay. What are the letters?
Feet. I don't know.
Give me the
Help
letters.
me.
Letter.
F.
Let F. Very good. Letter F. What's next to letter F? Feet.
I
Letter.
don't know.
Oh, letter E. And then letter
Letter E.
Next.
Letter
What's the last one?
T.
T. Letter 2. Okay, next. Number 5. Number 5. What's number 5?
Number 5. Number 5 is mouth.
Okay, how do you spell mouth? What are the letters of the word mouth?
More.
Letter M. Next.
N.
What's next?
R.
Oh. Next.
I don't know.
Letter O. Next.
Ooh.
Next.
And let's do ha.
Okay, 2. And what's the last one? Letter?
Ha.
Okay, very good. Okay, potato, before we check, could you please read first? What's the answer number 1?
E. Foot. Hand,
Number 2.
nose, feet, and mouth.
All right, so let's check your work. Number 1 is a face. Let's see. Oh, very good. face is F. What are the letters of the word face, potato? What are the letters of the correct spelling? F. Go.
Hand.
No. What are the letters of the face? F. A. Go.
FACE.
Okay. Number 2. What's number 2? Hand. Okay, let's see if it's hand. Okay. Potato, what are the letters?
Letter is ha. Ha.
Okay. Next. A. And letter.
D.
Okay, D. Very good. Next, number 3. What's number 3?
Monkey no.
Nose. Okay, what are the letters of the word no? What are the letters?
N.
Okay, and next.
O.
Oh, next.
O N
Next.
S.
Okay. And S and E. Okay, next. Number 4. What's number 4, potato?
P.
Now, feet. What are the letters?
S. E. T.
Okay. Next. How about number 5?
Number 5 is map.
Okay, how do you spell?
E. M. O. U. T.
Okay, very good. Okay, so
Huh.
potato. Let's check your answer. Here we go. Whether you were able to get the correct answer. Okay, so here we go. Okay, you did great. Okay, potato, I have your question. Potato, how many
What?
ears do you have?
I have 1.
1 ear? Oh no. Where's your 1 ear? My God.
Here, I have 1 ear.
You have 1 ear. Oh, people have 2 ears. Okay, how about hand? How many hands do you have?
1 hand.
1
Here.
hand. Can you show me your 1 hand? Oh, you don't have left hand or right hand? No, no right hand.
Yeah.
Oh no, potato has no hand. Missing. There is a missing hand in here. Oh no, no, no. Okay, next, potato, number 3. How many mouths have you got? I've got 1 mouth. Okay, potato, what is inside your mouth? What?
With me. I am going to talk to it. Here.
What is this? Show me the answer. Oh, you have 0. You have 0 mouth? And how come you
Yeah.
can speak if you don't have a mouth? Oh, a person who doesn't have mouth cannot talk, cannot speak. Oh, but you have. Potato, what's inside your mouth? Oh no, potato's mouth is already closed. Oh, what happened? What happened? It's already closed. Potato cannot talk properly now. Oh no, 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 no. There is a mouth left. Oh my God. Oh no, potato doesn't have a mouth. Cannot talk, cannot speak. Oh no. Oh, cannot. Oh. And here, how about nose? Have you got a nose, potato? How about a nose? You said you don't have a mouth. How about nose?
I have.
How many nose have you got? Oh, let me
Here.
see your answer. 2 nose. Where's the
Yeah.
other one? Where's the other one?
Here and here.
That's 2 holes. Only 1 nose and 2 holes. Oh.
Here and here.
Yeah, that's 2 holes, not 2 nose. Oh no. You have plenty, ah.
Yeah.
Okay, potato, listen. You enter again
What?
to the Zoom class. Enter again. Okay?
Enter.
Yeah.